Tell me I'm the best I am. I be feeling like yes I am. You know I'm the best I am. Be a fool and not take me as I am.
Alright, you guys. So I'm currently in my dad's studio. He partners with another lady who's wearing around a bunch of clothes, and I am in heaven right now. But I'm basically picking out some outfits to model and whatnot. So here's this cute little blazer. I found these tights I thought were cute. So, you know, to kind of wear something, I don't know, we're figuring stuff out.
Six on the beat.
Feet. Turn right onto Fox Point Drive.
What's up, XO gang? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm trying my best.
Turn right onto Fox Point Drive.
I'm trying my best to keep up with you guys and just make sure that I'm still providing content and stuff for y'all, because I know a lot of y'all are interested in my post-grad life. Wait for
in a quarter mile, turn left onto Oak Drive Northeast.
So yeah, I am about to go visit my apartment today. So sadly, I had some things happen to my house about a week ago, and I've just been very traumatized from it. And this isn't like the first one thing that happened. It's not like one thing happened, I'm like, oh my God, I have to get out. It's been a lot of things that's been happening at my house for like the past 6 months. If you know, you know. If you don't, it's none of your business. But yeah, basically I'm out that beach. You feel me? I done got me. So I'm going to go visit it today, and I know you're like, dang, Brittany, you signed a lease without looking at your apartment. I sadly did. I was in Atlanta this week, so I didn't really have time to go visit. I did get a video sent to me from the apartment complex, so it should be fairly similar. I'm just deciding to go actually finally visit it myself, see it in person. Get this fly out of my get out. I'm just finally deciding to go see it myself, and just kind of see, like, you know, how it is in person. Over the next week or so, I'll finally be showing you guys my little, like, I'm about to say dorm room tour. It's not a dorm room. It's an apartment that's gonna be mine for like a whole year.
In 1 mile, turn left onto West W.T. Harris Boulevard.
I'm still in shock. I'm still amazed. But we're about to go ahead and head over there now, and I will give y'all an empty apartment tour.
Back out here.
this, y'all. I don't even know how to do this right now. Okay, let me calm down. Okay, ready? Ready. So when you walk in from the door, here is the living room area. I cannot cut on any lights right now, so sorry that it's so dark, but I think it's pretty, the living room area is definitely pretty big. I think essentially there's supposed to be like some type of dining situation maybe somewhere, but this is a really huge living room. And if y'all know me, y'all know I love to entertain guests, so this is like perfect. This is my exact apartment, so I can see my car from here. Baby Diamond is right there. I got a big old tree, so nobody's like up in my business or whatever. But I think this is a really nice just space. Has a nice ceiling fan. But yeah, I think this is a really big, very big space. But moving on from the living room, if you turn immediately around, here's the kitchen. I think these look very nice. It has these nice granite countertops, this really huge island. Like, this is great. Really huge island with some brown accents. I love these. I think this is super cute. Oh, they have a wine cellar, a little thing for my wine and stuff. Okay, period. This is so cute. I like that. I don't know if this would be considered stainless steel or no, that ain't steel, baby. I don't know what this is considered. But there's more lights right here. Oh, okay, the kitchen cuts on. Okay, cool. So yeah, this is just the kitchen area. Comes with the stove, a lot of cabinet space, like a lot of cabinet space. Does come with a dishwasher. So, I don't know. Y'all know I'm gonna clean everything out before I even move in here. There's a lot of space for just a lot of stuff. And I'm not really the type of person to have a lot of kitchen stuff. But here's the sink. So that works. Okay. Yeah, I'm so geeked. Like, this is my place. Oh my gosh. So yeah, just a lot of cabinets. So I definitely love that. And over here, just realized it's like a little pantry. So moving on from the kitchen, you have this area right here. So if you go to the left, this door is gonna be to my bathroom. So sadly, I don't have a bathroom that is inside my room, but the good thing about it is that, you know, when I have guests over, they don't have to go into my room. So this is that when you first walk in, it's this little area right here. So this is kind of beneficial because I'm gonna have a lot of just hair stuff or cleaning supply. Well, cleaning supply probably go under there, but a lot of just hair stuff or whatever could just be right here. Makeup, all that kind of stuff could just be right here. I can see it. I might have like some stowaway stuff right there, like tissue or something like that. Don't know what I'm gonna put here yet, but I think it's gonna be definitely very beneficial. But the bathroom is like pretty big from what I was assuming it was gonna be. So tired and rough, y'all. I had to move some stuff in. I'm so sweaty right now. So it's just one sink, super big mirror. These are the cabinet spaces, so it's a lot. There's definitely a lot of space underneath here. So that's really good. Yeah, just toilet and bathroom. I don't have a garden tub, and I'm kind of sad about that for when I want to do like my little spiritual baths. But I mean, they have these little containers right here for soap bars and stuff like that. So that's actually good. I won't necessarily have to have a thing hanging from here because those get rusted a lot. So that's good. So, and then finally, going over here, my washer and dryer is right here. So right beside my room, that's just the heating vent or whatever. Let me turn my lights off. Gotta pay light bills now. And so this is my room. So coming straight from the bathroom, off the living room and kitchen is my room. So you walk in, this is the entire space. So it's honestly pretty big. A lot bigger than what I was expecting. You see I have a couple of things here already. That's my key. So this is the closet space. Light, yep. So this is the closet space. Again, a lot bigger than what I was expecting, you guys. So this is good. Probably gonna have just a lot of storage stuff up here. clothes. I'll put a couple of clear baskets and stuff up in here. My trunk, you know, just stuff that just shouldn't be out in the open. But the closet is pretty big, so I'm happy about that. But just turning from the closet, this is the room. So it has a nice window over here. And my tree that's blocking the living room isn't blocking this room, so I gotta make sure I keep these closed, because y'all know I be naked a lot. Well, y'all don't know, but I be naked a lot, okay? But the good thing is I had my car parked right there, but I moved it because it was a little closer on that side. But I'll be able to see my car more than likely. That's my empty apartment tour, y'all. So in a couple of weeks, y'all will see this renovated and whatnot. I have some movers coming, so I'm literally about to get all of this done, hopefully today. I have a meeting tonight with my job so I can get paid from the bar, but that's all for this video. So if it's not up yet, be sure to stay tuned, and if it already is up, make sure y'all go and click my renovated new apartment, my first apartment, and see what I did with the place.